வயிறுக காட்டுமலி யார் பக்கம் பார்க்கலியே வருமா வருமா வீட்டுக்குள்ள பாபர் ஆசம் தேவடியா புண்டை பாகிஸ்தான் ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಪೊಟ್ಟಂ ತೆವಡಿಯ ಸೂಲೆ ಮುಂಡ ಪಟ್ಟಂ ವೆರಿರ್ಗ ಕಾಟಮಲಿ means yesterday comedy biggest comedy happened yesterday. Seriously, matlab Babar Azam basically doesn't know captaincy. Yesterday it has proved that one. बेसिक कैप्टनसी कुछ नहीं जानता है उसको, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं जानता, कुछ नहीं, ठीक है। वो बेसिकली फास्ट बॉलर्स अगर अच्छा बॉलिंग कर दिया तो विकेट चटका दिया तो उसका कप्तानी वर्क करेगा, वरना कुछ नहीं। एंड वन थिंग इज क्लियर इज दैट व्हेन साउथ अफ्रीका, इफ यू विन द टॉस अगेंस्ट साउथ अफ्रीका, चूज टू बैट फर्स्ट, मेक साउथ अफ्रीका चेस द मैच, बिकॉज जब चेस करना पड़ता है, अगर छोटा टारगेट भी होगा तो उसका पूरा हाथ पैर पूरा फूल जाता है, बहुमा का डिक्की भी लंबा हो जाता है, और फिर वो माकरम वाकरम सब कुछ मतलब खेलता है, लेकिन लास्ट मोमेंट पर चोक कर देता है वो लोग। मतलब सीरियसली यार, साउथ अफ्रीका विल बी मींस इफ दे वुड हैव लॉस्ट यस्टरडे from 206 for 4, they were 206 for 4, 200 for 4. From there, they were around 250 for 9. 250 for 9, it was like that. 250 for 8 or 260 for 9, like that. Means within 50 runs, they lost around 5 wickets. Seriously, within 50 runs or something. So seriously, chasing a mere 270 runs total, if they are doing like this, if they are bottling the chase, seriously, South Africa's weakness is completely exposed. But Babar Azam, seriously, hopeless, absolutely hopeless. When 8 wickets fell down, 20 runs was required. Neither of the bowlers bowled a single Yorker, and they are comparing the Shaheen Afridi with Wasim Akram. They are comparing this Shaheen Afridi with Wasim Akram. अरे Wasim Akram कल होता ना, मतलब राउंड द विकेट, लेफ्ट आर्म राउंड द विकेट में आउट स्विंगिंग बॉल, आउट स्विंगिंग यॉर्कर डाल देता पूरा, रिवर्स स्विंग, ठीक है। तो ये लौड़ा शाहीन शाह अफरीदी के साथ मत कंपेयर करो। पहले ओवर ही शाहीन शाह अफरीदी को देखोक ने उसका औकात दिखा दिया पूरा, ठीक है, 17 रन देकर। वो तो मतलब शाहीन शाह का गुड लक है कि देखोक ने पुल शॉट स्ट्रेट टू द मैन खेला है, ठीक है। अगर वो शॉट अगर छक्का लग जाता किसी और, मतलब इफ इट वाज अराउंड 5 मीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम द मैन, 5 मीटर इधर उधर हो जाता तो वो भी छक्का या चौका जाता, ठीक है। तो वो शाहीन शाह अफरीदी का गुड लक है। तो शाहीन शाह अफरीदी को झटका कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल यॉर्कर, जस्ट मिसिंग द आउटसाइड एज। वो तो आउटसाइड एज तो मतलब वो लोग डिफेंड करेगा ही। सो लाइक दैट योर बॉलिंग मींस मतलब पूरा मतलब वेस्ट, कंप्लीट वेस्ट। एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट फील्ड प्लेसमेंट, यू सी, यू नीड 2 विकेट्स टू विन द मैच। 2 विकेट चाहिए था मैच जीतने के लिए। वो लोग मतलब सिर्फ एक स्लिप्स लगाए, वो भी रिजवान के कहने पर या फिर चाचू का कहने पर। पहले तो स्लिप्स ही नहीं लगाया था, ओनली रिजवान वाज कीपिंग, दैट्स इट। You should keep 4 slips and a gully in that crunch position. When 20 runs is required, 2 wickets is required to win the match, you should keep 4 slips and a gully. You should keep a test match attacking field. लेकिन बाबर आजम को तो मतलब कप्तानी नहीं आता है, खुद बैटिंग भी कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा। 300 में विकेट, 300 का विकेट में 270 करके 46 ओवर्स में रैप अप हो गया। 46 ओवर्स, you're not even able to play 50 overs properly. Seriously, you're not even able to play 50 overs properly, batting first, winning the toss and everything. You're not even able to play 50 overs properly. 270 runs you're scoring in a 300 wicket. तो बल्लेबाजी में कुछ अखाड़ा नहीं है सीरियसली। और वो लोग कंपेयर करते हैं बाबर आजम और किंग कोहली के साथ, ठीक है। घंटे का किंग बाबर आजम इज नॉट इवन 20% ऑफ इंजमाम उलक। इंजमाम उलक कल अगर रहता ना, वो 50 रन 100 में कन्वर्ट कर देता आराम से, या फिर एटलीस्ट 90 रन तो बना ही देता, 80-90 रन तो बना ही देता आराम से। तो बाबर आजम 50 रन, ऑल द पाकिस्तानी बैट्समैन they scored 50 runs and threw their wicket away. But what a brilliant review by Quinton de Kock also, yaar, to take that review seriously of Babar Azam's wicket. That was a very crunch, means it was just a hope review, but that hope, the hope didn't kill, the hope gave them a reward. Seriously, that was a wonderful review taken. And Tabraiz Shamji bowled a fantastic spell, yaar. He took wickets of Iftikhar Chachu, he has taken the wicket of Chachu, Babar Azam, then Saud Shakil and Shaheen Shah Afridi he has taken, yaar. Means when they were well settled, when they scored their 50, South Shakil and this thing, Babar Azam, even if Chachu was well settled, okay, he took all them, he cleaned all of them up. Okay, he has taken the crunch wickets. So that guy deserved it. That Shamshi deserved the man of the match. Plus, he defended the balls really, really well. When 9 wickets fell down, that time he didn't put a wild swing. Means he didn't swing his bat widely and threw his wicket away. Means he saved himself, he protected himself. That price of the wicket is very, very precious, isn't it? And he defended really well, and that was wonderful, really. Because he knew that Wasim Jr. and Haris Rauf and all these fellows will go off. Okay, we'll get 3 overs, and target is around, it's less than a runner ball. It's less than a runner ball. I really don't understand how South Africa bottled the chase, absolutely. And seriously, the body language of South Africa is really ridiculous, you know. When 70 runs was required with 6 wickets in hand, that time only they were like worried. They were full, not even confident. They were not smiling. They were matlab pura nervous ho gaya tha. Even the dressing room, even the staff dressing room. Then even if you see the stadium stands and everything where their families were sitting, they were also tensed and everything. I don't know why. What is the tension in that one? Okay, tension means basic tension should be there, but you should be relaxed, like you're in driver's seat, man. It's an easy chase. But that मतलब वो अपने आप खुद ही प्रेशर ले रहा है, खुद ही प्रेशर ले रहा है और अपना खुद का हाथ खुद का पैर फुला रहा है पूरा. Like a balloon, they are filling their hand and legs. But really, Maharaj, seriously, he is a cool and calm head. It means he is the most cool and calm head. And yesterday, Nawaz came in. मतलब वो Nawaz तो चुतिया bowler है ही. मतलब he is a T20 bowler. He doesn't know 50 overs bowling. Okay, he doesn't know 50 overs bowling और बल्लेबाजी में भी कुछ दम वम नहीं है. ठीक है, he gave a short pitch half tracker ball and he thought that Maharaj is a gugu batsman. Waste batsman he is. And he gave a half tracker. Padal. He has hit and it went for a boundary. Finished. And this is over for Pakistan. World Cup is over for Pakistan. Only excuses after excuses after excuses, and their masla was only with India. India were a not good host and everything. अरे भाई 2 मैच आप लोग चेन्नई में हार गए हो. 2 मैच आप लोग चेन्नई में हार गए हो. Yesterday public was even supporting. I don't know how, but public somewhere were supporting this Babar Azam. They were supporting little bit. They were not so much anti or anything. And yesterday public only was not there, yaar. Only like 30% filled or anything. Remaining 70% of the public went for Leo movie. So public was not there yesterday. Only attendance was 25,000. So simply don't blame and everything. You yourself has to be blamed. Why your batsmen didn't convert the 50s into bigger score? Why your openers are not playing properly? Why they are not building a good partnership? And when your openers are getting runs, the middle order is failing. And when middle order batting is clicking, that time bowling is failing miserably. The spinners are failing miserably. Yesterday somehow that concussion substitution, Usama bin Mir bin Laden, that guy has come in and picked up 2 wickets. But actually South Africa only choked the chase, yaar. Pakistan didn't do anything. They are saying that Pakistan did a wonderful comeback and anything. Nothing they have done, yeah, nothing. That South Africa only took the pressure among themselves and threw their wickets. That Markram, what type of shot is playing, right? Easy, less than a runner ball, yeah. Less than a runner ball, around double the runner ball, yeah. 36 balls, 18 runs was required or something. 40 balls, 18 runs was required. 20 runs was required. It's double the runner ball. So you should take singles and take the match till the last. Simply swinging the bat and they want to be the hero, that's it. But almost they became a 0 yesterday. That Markram, he played a wonderful innings. He played a counter-attacking wonderful innings. He has played Markram, but finishing touch he couldn't give. Seriously, even Miller tried to play well, but finishing touch he couldn't. Even Jansen threw his wicket away. Seriously, what type of shot is he playing, giving cash practice and everything? Simply to Babar Azam, he is glancing seriously. So South Africa means almost choked the total. But last Maharaj saved the day and sent Pakistan out of the World Cup. Pakistan has lost 4 consecutive matches. India they have lost, Australia they have lost to Afghanistan, they have lost now to South Africa. And their World Cup is almost over. Babar Azam should resign from captaincy. So simply resign from captaincy. He doesn't know ABCD of captaincy. One of the most chutia overrated batsmen I have ever seen, this Babar Azam. Seriously, one of the most overrated batsmen. And one of the most overrated captain. Seriously, he doesn't know captaincy only. What is captain? Useless captain. And also one more thing I want to say is that big excuses are coming. Bottle of excuses are coming. बाल्टी भर कर excuses दे रहा है कि अंपायर ने सही डिसीजन नहीं दिया है. वो मतलब शमशी आउट हो गया था हैरिस रॉफ के डिलीवरी पर. वो अंपायर कॉल हो गया था. अरे भाई वंडर डूसन का विकेट कैसे आप लोगों को मिला? काइंडली बता दो. वो भी नॉट आउट था. वो भी अंपायर ने आउट दे दिया था. इसलिए वंडर डूसन पवेलियन में चला गया था. तो एक विकेट आप लोगों को मिला, एक विकेट आपको नहीं मिला। तो ये तो आप लोग के हाथ पर नहीं है, ये लोग टेक्नोलॉजी के हाथ पर है। तो आप लोग मतलब ब्लेम गेम मत करो, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करो, क्रिकेट के नॉलेज सीखो। सिंपली घंटे का टंटे का, अगर क्रिकेट का नॉलेज होता तो घंटे का किंग टंटे का किंग को आप लोग मतलब सर के ऊपर चढ़ाते नहीं होते, सर के ऊपर से चढ़ाते नहीं होते ये घंटे का किंग को और टंटे का किंग को। और ये बाबर आजम गोबर आजम को विराट कोहली के साथ मत कंपेयर करते। कहाँ विराट कोहली और कहाँ ये इंजमाम के साथ भी कंपेयर नहीं होता है।